we will learn how to say doesn't matter, don't worry about it, and take it easy. If someone were to say sorry, you can reply 没关系, which means doesn't matter. Please repeat after me. 没关系，没关系。没关系 is made of two words. 没 means doesn't. 关系 literally means relation, but here it means doesn't matter. 没关系. You could also say, don't worry about it, which means 别担心. Repeat after me. 别担心，别担心。别担心 is made of two words. 别 means don't. 担心 means worry. 别担心。Next is take it easy. 放松点。Please repeat after me. 放松点。放松点。放松点 is made of two words. 放松 means relax. 点 literally means little. 放松点。So we have learned 没关系 doesn't matter. 别担心 don't worry about it. 放松点 take it easy. That's it for lesson 6. 放松点